In this lesson, what we're going to be doing is just adding a background for our two levels. So I'm going to go to the images folder and I'm just going to drag and drop a couple of images I made into here. So let's just see, this one and this one are the ones I want. Okay, drag those in here. And cool, so I just have a few sort of space images, like starscapes, and we're just going to go ahead and make those our backgrounds. So we are in level 2, it looks like right now. I'm going to give this one the slightly more interesting background. So here I have it in here, and I want to make it, cover the whole background. So you can do this different ways. I'm just going to go ahead and just make it bigger. That's the way I'm going to do it. So went ahead, just selected that tool, the right transform tool, and I'm holding in Shift while I just scale this up and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so we can actually fill in all that space. There we go. Now, unfortunately, we have a bit of a layer issue. As you can see, it looks like all of our platforms are behind this. So we can fix that though if we just change the Z. So change it to be, I don't know, probably 1 would be enough actually. Let's see if 1's good. Yeah, okay, so just changing the Z position will change where it's being drawn in terms of the order. So there we go, so now we have it in the background. Let's just go ahead and see how that looks playing through it. Oh no, if I can even beat this level. Made that one, made that one, made that one. Yeah, I kind of like it. I kind of like it's like a nice little cool space background. I think works. So that's fine. Let's go ahead and go into our other level and do the same sort of process. But what we can do is I want to have the other one be basically the same size as I've made this one. So I'm going to go ahead and just prefab this, and then we're going to change the image that it's using for the other level. So prefab it, I'm going to go into the other level, so scenes, level 1. Yes, I will save this level. And now let's just go ahead and grab that, put it in here, and we'll change the image it's using. So yeah, I can change it I can of course find the image and drag and drop it into where it says sprite here in the sprite renderer component in the inspector panel. But another thing I can do is right next to the sprite where it has the image, I click on this little circle and I'll bring up all the images in my project, and I'm just going to go ahead and select the one I want from here. So double click on that, and there we go. So now we have this other starscape image here in the background, so that's fine. We're going to just play it and make sure that looks fine. Looks pretty cool. I like the space theme. I think it will work pretty well. Oh, if I can even make it to the end level. And now, okay, cool. So very cool. Now we have backgrounds in both of our levels. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.